Hello and welcome to the first episode of Malcolm Goes Outside. For this specific trip, we went out to Bear Creek, which is in the Palisades Reservoir area. If you don't know where that is in between Irwin, Idaho and Alpine, Wyoming. We ended up actually camping with a few friends that we have known for a long time, and of course our two dogs, Jackson and River. This specific location is kind of an inlet of Palisades Reservoir, which I think a lot of snow runoff sits in this area, is probably why a lot of the area is pretty muddy. So Bear Creek actually runs right next to where we are camping at, and we actually end up doing some kayaking down it here in just a minute. So this is actually my second day ever being on a kayak. The creek wasn't very full of water, so there were actually a lot of rocks that you had to dodge and keep your momentum going, along with trying to dodge limbs of trees and spider webs and stuff going down the river as well.
There was some gnarly spider webs on that branch. Hell yeah. Woohoo! No! No! I couldn't turn. I know it's hard when you get this big for like.
Okay, so now it was time for Michaela to go down with me. This was her first time going down the creek as well, and about 20 seconds in, she actually ends up tipping over and loses her seat, and I had to float down and actually try to find it because it wasn't attached to her kayak.
Yeah, you gotta strap it in. Hit a rock. You're good. Okay.
Here was another spot that she ended up tipping over as well, and I couldn't find a spot to get myself stopped in time, so I actually ended up running into her, and I felt pretty bad because this river or creek ended up actually beating her up pretty good.
Shit. Are you good? Sorry. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry. I couldn't stop. I tried to stop on that rock over there. Are you okay? Okay, we're okay. Come over here if you can. Yay!
And so yeah, that pretty much wraps up our camp trip during 4th of July weekend 2021. We end up actually leaving the next day and going and checking out the Grand Tetons out in the Driggs, Idaho area. And so if you enjoy this content and want to keep up with all of our adventures, make sure you subscribe and like the video, and we will see you in the next video. Thank you all for watching.